Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Make sure subscribe, share, like this video. And um we have a new week ahead. Today is Sunday, right? 20th July. The past week a lot went on in the market, and so we need to talk about what went on. UJ dropped massively at a particular point. I post some, you know, candles and what the market was doing at that point in my Telegram channel. So my Telegram channel goes by the name Trader Nixon Community. Search it and join. Right, let's quickly go into the charts without wasting much time, and let me show you something that you didn't know. Right, let's go watch it. Let's quickly go into the charts so quickly, no time. All right, so let's sorry about what you just saw. Let's quickly do a lot. Now this is USD JPY on Thursday and on Friday. Alex G will say Diddy. So did me like fucked my ass real bad, like crazy. And let me go to the daily. I took some two losses on USD JPY. USD JPY is like my favorite pair. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, cause it trends and prints exactly the candlesticks that I want to see to enter a trade. Yeah, for the most part. So on the daily, we have a strong bullish momentum and an uptrend. And when it came to these previous highs here, I was just waiting for what? These previous highs here, like this previous resistance area, I was just waiting for. Look here and look here. I was just waiting for a sell. We had a sell momentum before I could even enter the trade. The market just rallied to the downside with more than 150 pips, right? And so I was just waiting for some hours later for a retracement and jump into the sells. That is in the 4H 1 hour time frame, and I couldn't see it. So the following day, I tried looking for sells again around these zones, this area, and the market just took me out two times. And I cannot show you with details, but it didn't take me out on my prop account. It didn't take me out on my prop account. It took me out on a personal funding, a personal account. My prop, I've passed phase one, phase two. That will come in another video though. So yes, and now I have seen and confirmed that look, UJ is just ready to go to the next high. So when we come to the weekly, you see that the next high is just here. And with this kind of bullish momentum that I'm seeing here, it is one thing that can happen very, 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 very quickly. So anticipate buys on UJ. My goodness. If things fall in place, trading is a game of probability. If things fall in place, look, a lot of money will be made. Don't forget about that. Let's go to GBP USD. So I've added GBP USD to my catalog of pairs, and now it just makes it two. At first it was BTC USD, but the broker that I'm on, the leverage that the broker gives me does not allow me to really go in BTC USD regards to volume or lot size. So I kind of let it out, like took it off the watch list and then added GBP USD. Currently, GBP USD have had, my goodness, swing trading is beautiful if only you understand what you are doing. It's beautiful. Look what happened from here to here. That is like, let me give you accurate number of pips. That's like 1600 pips, and that is like crazy, can change your life. And look, don't get me wrong, swing trading is very beautiful if your account size is also like awesome, is great, like it's big. When your account size is like, let's say $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, you just add positions upon retracement and you know where you are going, right? So upon this particular swing move from the down here to the top here, the TPs, where TPs would have been taken, would have been where I'm drawing this horizontal box. You understand? And trust me, if you have stacked in so well on this trade, you can flip $10,000 to like more than you can do more than 100% or 200% on $10,000. That's it. And so, what am I expecting? Look, what is happening here? Don't ever think. I'm now getting to even see this clearly. Don't ever think, GBP USD is just coming up like this. Hey, even if something like that will happen, it will come up to like 1.36269 and then drop massively. That is if there should be buys, okay? But if there are not going to be buys, then the original plan is drop massively. And let me give you some juice. It's going to drop. If GU is going to drop massively like anticipated, it's going to drop to 1.29435. Then if it will continue dropping, then it will drop to like 1.24608, 1.27444. These areas are the possible areas that GU can drop to. Yeah, so monitor GU. Let's go to the daily time frame. Good. So this is what I was saying. So if something else is going to happen like buys, this is what is going to happen. Something like this, and GU is going to just sell further like this. It is sell. If there's going to be a buy, it's going to be short while. Now let's look at BTC USD. I've made a lot of calls on BTC USD crypto, and they've all come to pass. Now this is the catalyst in time. I don't need to do this is a forensic analysis, but not too much forensic. I don't need to do too much. You're just gonna get it. Bitcoin to if Bitcoin does this like this, if Bitcoin does this, you know where Bitcoin is going next? Let me just give you a hint. You guys will just know the trick that I use. If Bitcoin does this, Bitcoin is going to 130K. Simple. And we'll probably take like maximum 2 months to do that. Maximum 2 months to do that. This is going to be crazy. On BTC USD, it's going to be crazy. I'm not even going to lie. Let's do SAU USD, gold spot, and look at what is going on. Gold is very choppy this time. Let's look at a monthly time frame. We have hit all-time high. It's time for gold to drop, but it's refusing to give us any sensible drop, and that is fine. But then let me look for another gold. Let me look for this gold. Good, something like this. Let's go to the weekly. We have two doji candles. Let's take a better look at that again, like in the monthly. Fast. I need this to be fast. Oh, good. So we've had two doji candles in here. 1, 2. That's telling you the market hasn't been really decisive in the past 2 months. And this is a last month's candle, and this is how it's forming. We cannot say, look, for gold to go in for more buys, we'll have to wait for this current candle to close in the next, let's say, 12 days. This current green candle to still close green with a healthy body. If it does that, Bitcoin can go to 3,500, 3,600, or maybe more before maybe we'll look. But I think with the doji that is having for gold to go up further more, I think it needs to crash down. That's a fact. Like this thing needs to come down to 2,780 thereabout, before going down. Like that's it. Now gold is too high. It's too high that it needs to come down. At least a crash down to like here, 2007 here, then we go back up again. That's a that's a possibility in time. That's a possibility in time. I'm not drawing too much lines. I'm just giving you like what I think of these things. Then Euro USD. You guys who trade Euro USD, they say euro and the dollar is the most traded pair. So let's see. So in a weekly time frame, the dollar looks to be saying something about bearish move. So it looks like the dollar is ready to drop further like this. And if I say the dollar is going to drop, then I really mean the dollar is going to appreciate, because it's, in this case, the quote currency, right? So, and then do something like this, maybe, or maybe not, to the downside further, maybe not. So let's see the daily. we still have bullish momentum, strong bullish momentum, and the market is already correcting. And so we can be looking for something like this. If the a bullish candle closes like this, then the market is going to buy further. But if not, but trust me, market has to buy further. Market has to buy like a bit, something like that. That's what I believe because of this structure that I'm seeing here. You see this structure? You see this structure? Good. But if market breaks below this structure like this, then we can have more chances of going to the downside. So that is what is going to. If you have like any other pair that you want us to talk about next, I will talk about it. But I want to show you something on UJ. Let's go to the 1 hour. I want to show you something on UJ. What happened on UJ? Can I do this? Like, yeah. You see this huge candle? This huge candle from here, something like this. So the reason why something like this happening on the market without any news events in like the sites that you go for their news on the fundamental side, where they give you, previous in expectation and what is happening. The reason I've not seen anything but UJ has done this is because Trump is threatening to, or has threatened to, sack Jerome Powell. That is like the chairman of the Fed. That is the Federal Reserve, right? And so it gave more leverage to the Japanese yen to gain momentum over the, dollar. And mostly, if something like that happens, and it's not really a reality, so to say, it's just people going crazy, then the market will probably correct to its normal, how do you call it, trend. Sorry. So that is as part of the many reasons why UJ is going to go up this new week. UJ is going to really go up. So I'm just hoping, right? I'm just hoping. And if it goes up indeed, bro, we just pray for God to give us like a clean entry. When you take advantage of that, then we'll go. But if anything can happen in the market, UJ can just even buy to here this place and then start selling massively, right? Because it's very high. You understand? It's bought to like a higher level, so that's it. But I think this has been a good correction already. So buy UJ. I'll buy UJ more and more and more. So that's it. My name is Choda Nixon. Make sure to subscribe, share, like this video. I'm out.